The bridge is dash the river. Across. The bridge is across the river. The bird is flying dash the tree. Over. The bird is flying over the tree. The boy is hidden dash the door. Behind. The boy is hidden behind the door. The cat is hidden dash the box. In. The cat is hidden in the box. The cat is sit dash the chair. On. The cat is sit on the chair. The dog is sleeping dash the table. Under. The dog is sleeping under the table. The boy is sitting dash the chair. On. The boy is sitting on the chair. Thank you kids for watching our video. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye.